So we were talking about these two different types of substitutions here. So a substitution for convenience, it's not allowed unless otherwise noted and allowed for within a specified time frame. So it must provide a substantial cost, time, or energy savings. It must not require extensive revisions. This is basically saying, hey, we found something that's going to save us a week, but you guys got to put it into your contract documents and modify your drawings a bunch, and that's going to take another 3 weeks. So it can't be something like that. It costs the whole design team a bunch of money and time. It's got to be fully documented. So if they've done something, or if they're planning on doing something, they've got to keep a good documentation on what they're substituting, so that they don't go installing something that's going to get basically ripped right back out because it's not within the contract documents. The owner and the project team have the right to say, no, you never documented any of this. You gave us X when we asked for Y, and you got to pull that back out. So it's going to be submitted for review and have the proper approvals. It cannot adversely affect the construction schedule. It's supposed to be a substitution for convenience. That means everybody on the project team, not just the contractor. It's got to be compatible and coordinated with the trades. It must provide the better or same warranty. There's that warranty thing popping up again. That's important. You'll see at the end of the day, the warranties must all be what is documented at the beginning in the contract documents. So even if you've substituted and changed and come up with a new plan, at the end, when it's the warranties are written, if you ask for a 20-year warranty, you're going to get that 20-year warranty because that's what the contract said.